This is RC News, and today everyone, one accidental mishap leads to an arrest. I'm so excited to go target practicing today. This is going to be so much fun. Aim, whoops! This is the mall police, and you, their son, are not a customer of this mall. Yeah, that's true.
2 seconds later.
Bro, look what you made me do. Wait a minute, I know you. You're the reason I have these horrible sounding servos. Okay. There was literally nothing else you could have been aiming for, so... Don't get off topic! I'm gonna snitch on you two. Bro, run this dude over. Nah, not in my tires. This is the mall police! Ah! Alright, it's time for target practice again. Nice shot, Buster. Oops. You're lucky I'm not under the influence of donuts today. Yep. Wait, hold up. What do you guys think could even make this kind of thing? You know, that's a good question. And that concludes today's episode of RC News. No, it doesn't.